Hi, I'm Laura from Sitting Well, and I just wanted to talk you through how to use the Necksaviour. It's a lovely tool for helping to stretch the neck, the soft tissues and muscles in and around the neck and shoulders, which may be causing your neck pain or headaches. Firstly, you need to decide whether you're wanting a gentle or a stronger stretch. If the white side surface is facing up, that will give you a light stretch. If you have the black surface facing up, that will give you a stronger stretch. There's also a little face with a neck, one with a long and one with a short neck, and that really relates to whether you physically have a longer or a shorter neck. So try both ways up to see which one suits. I'm going to turn it so that I've got the short neck facing up and, well, looking at you, and the white surface to use as a gentle stretch. So find a nice firm surface to lie on, floor, gym mat. I'm using the treatment couch. Now to bend the Necksaviour, you can either just use your hands or against your legs or your torso. So you're literally bending it in half, like so. Then lie down. And you're going to place it between your shoulders and the base of your skull. So one border is against the shoulders and one at the base of the skull. Just make sure any hair or jewellery is out of the way. And fully relax into it before you let go. You might decide you want to just move the head and neck left, right, up and down until you're really in a comfortable position. And that's as simple as it is. Just lie down and let the Necksaviour do its job.